Welcome, this is Awesome, a tiling window manager, and I'm here to fix an issue. But while I'm here, I might as well teach something else. One of the things I'd like you to do is think out of the box. It's not because we make a video that's solving an issue on XFC that it will not work on any of the other 15 desktops or more desktops in the future, right? It even is so that many of the things I solved on ArcoLinux were coming from forums of Ubuntu, right? So please think out of the box. And I've already made a video about this little issue we have. From time to time, depending on the desktop you are, we don't see the Bluetooth icon. It's there, it is, it's working and all, but it's not visible. Now, there was an update on with this Blueberry application, and it's coming from Linux Mint. And there was an update just a few days ago. And the solution is simple, if you find the solution somewhere on YouTube, right? So that's the second time I explain it, asking you guys, stop thinking in boxes. It's not because I'm on Awesome that it's not gonna work on, I don't know, Mate or anything else. Super Shift D, dconf editor. It's a kind of database where all the settings are, and you have to go navigate to org, Blueberry, use symbolic icons. That's what's new that they've put on the GitHub, and it's now on our machines. If we click on off, do not use symbolic icons, reload, and then later log out, log in, and you'll see this icon be nice and white again, and you'll see something rather than a gap. All right, that's the short video, but remember the main message. Think out of the box, looking for drivers, looking for information, go white. All right, cheers.